Hey guys, welcome back again to another video. Now in today's video, we look at how we can create a simple 3D text right inside Olive. So let's begin. In the project window, right click New and Sequence and click OK. In the Add tool, let's add a solid color as the background. And maybe we can change the background to something or another color. And now let's add a title clip. So come here and title and drag it on the timeline. Selecting the title, go to the parameter of the text and edit the text. Select the text. You can change to something black or you can change the font to a thicker font. And then change the font size to something bigger just for fun. And if you want to, you can change the color, but if not, click OK. So here is our text. Okay, so let's collapse the transform, collapse the rich text, and now selecting the text if it's not being selected. Go to the add effect and go to stylized and emboss. In the emboss, in the contrast, drag that to 100%. In the resolution, increase that, and then look at the text to see that it doesn't go beyond that, creating this little nice black back there. Something like this is enough. And then in the HSL, check that and check invert. So now you can see we're creating a nice 3D text, a simple 3D text as I can say. And then let's go back to the rich text. So expand the rich text. Now you can see there's some properties underneath here. So in the shadow, check that. In the shadow color, click that and then change to another color. Let's go to this color here and click OK. And now in the distance, click and drag it out so you can see it's creating the 3D effect. And then use the shadow softness here to soften the edge of the text. And there you have it. We just created a 3D text right here in Olive 0.1. Thank you for watching and I hope you have fun. Please do subscribe if you have not subscribed yet, and see you back again in another video.